folks, it is that time. I hate to remind you of the year, but it's tax time. In case you need to be reminded, your taxes are due 1 week from today, actually. It's going to be April 18th. Joining us now for today's Small Business Big Idea segment, Nick Rizzi, founder and CEO of Smart Tax, a tax preparation business. So you've got 27 tax locations right in the New York area. How's business?
Business is good. We actually started as a franchise last tax season. We've been able to grow up to 27 locations, like you said. We're growing. Our offices from last year are all increased in business. So as far as I can tell, the tax preparation business is good.
And you're looking to expand. So obviously, you're in one of those businesses that just people need and want to get their, well, they don't want to get their taxes
It's a need, not a want, absolutely. They have to get their taxes done once a year. I mean, statistically speaking, 60% of Americans who file income tax returns pay someone to do it for them. So we're definitely there. No matter good economy, bad economy, you got to get your taxes done.
What do you say to someone that hasn't even looked at their taxes or begun them, if you've got a week left?
You should start to look at your taxes. Yeah, get your stuff together. I know from experience.
No, but I'm saying if I walk into your office right now and I say, Nick,
oh, we'll help you out. I mean, it's not.
Can you help me out? I've got a week. Can you do it?
Oh, absolutely. You're not going to be pulling your hair out of your head. We'll walk you through it. We'll get your stuff together.
Even though it's a big tangled fishing pile of barbed wire to get through.
Listen, I don't know if you've ever met tax preparers around this time of year, but their hair are all frazzled and they're a little blurry-eyed. For that very reason, we have these customers coming in. And...
All right, what is the #1 thing that small businesses and the individual taxpayer overlooks or forgets at this time of year when they prepare their taxes?
Oh, look, there are so many things that have to be included in your tax return. Inevitably, the longer you wait, the more likely you are to make a mistake. So you're inevitably, you're going to forget a purchase you might have made.
As a deduction.
As a deduction. I mean, I know I was speaking to someone the other day, and I read somewhere that there's a $2,500 college tax credit that people are entitled to if you have kids that go to school and you make under $160,000 if you're a married couple. 50% of Americans didn't get it last year. Huh. Why? Because they didn't. They messed up. They didn't bring it to the attention of their preparers with themselves.
That's why you need a tax preparer, right, Nick?
Yeah, I would think, yeah.
Yeah, to help out with America's Museum of Mass Confusion, the IRS. God bless them. You know, but I'll tell you, I know IRS workers, and they get frustrated and tired and really exhausted by Congress's constant meddling with the tax code.
And so do we. It keeps us in business.
Yeah.
Yeah, they make it more and more complicated a little bit every year.
It's a small business and a big idea, and that's the segment for today. Nick, thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Nice to meet you. I know that it's a busy time for you. Thanks for coming in. Well, with the summer...